Hi! During the 2024 Aptos Code Collaboration Hackathon, we have built Community Karma, a decentralized reputation system based on an optimistic oracle. Pseudo-anonymous online communities liberate us from our geographical background, physical imperfections, or social status. We believe they are the next and better evolution of human interactions. Based on the recent studies, 82% of participants in online communities are pseudo-anonymous. The primary downfall of said communities is the lack of accountability for actions. Without transparency and robust reputation systems, anonymous spaces can encourage harmful behavior for personal gain. We need to have a reliable source of the truth for individuals' reputation, similar to Twitter community notes, but better. It's fact-checked, backed by capital, and permanently stored on a distributed digital ledger on blockchain. Think of it as a proof of stake for truth, but we call it community karma. Currently, we support a curated set of personas from crypto Twitter. By selecting a profile, you can see the verified information about the person, determined by our oracle. Notes could range from feedback about past work experiences, warnings about dishonest behavior, or praise for helpful actions. This provides a transparent way to access users' trustworthiness and helps communities build a safe, accountable, and well-informed ecosystem. But how do we tell the truth? Optimistic oracles are one of the stepping stones of crypto. For example, optimistic rollups, most of the biggest L2s on Ethereum, are based on the same principle. Similarly, Polymarket, a leading prediction market, partnered with UMA's Optimistic Oracle to resolve disputes. Optimistic oracles are used to find and report suspicious behavior and incentivize a network of validators to agree on the objective truth. We have developed a fully on-chain optimistic oracle to verify the claims on the Community Karma website. Optimistic in the name means it treats information as true by default, unless it's disputed. If a dispute arises, a 72-hour voting period begins. While the voting period lasts, reported notes are not displayed on people's profile. Instead, you can see them on the voting page. Our network of validators conducts research to find out what the objective truth is. Then, they stake their capital on their findings, and the majority vote decides the outcome. Validators who vote against the objective truth are slashed, which means they lose their stake. To encourage validator participation, we offer a fixed APR distributed based on a capital invested to true validators. They also get 70% of slashed capital. And let's see it in action. When you land on this landing page, you are gonna see 9 crypto Twitter personas. Each time you refresh, it's 9 different people. So you could either refresh it and see where it takes you, or you can type in the user you want to see the most. So I'm gonna type in G as a Greg. I'm gonna visit the Greg's profile. You can see there is only one note on Greg's profile. There are 3 options for each note. You can either like it, share it, or report it. Right now, we don't wanna do either of them. We want to leave a new comment so we can put more notes onto Greg's profile. You can see in order to leave a comment, you need to connect your wallet. So I will log in and sign into the application, and great, we are signed in. Now we can leave a comment. So let's say this guy scammed me and submit. Great thing is anyone can submit a comment. For submitted comments by me, you can see there is an option to delete the comment if you want. We are not gonna do that right now. We are gonna go back to the list and I'm gonna explain the voting functionality. In this voting view, we are able to see comments or notes that have been reported. The reason that they have been reported is because they show invalid or harmful information that might not be aligned with the truth. So searches reported them. Here we can see there are two notes being reported, one from Beanie and one from Zach. Here we can see the original note that has been reported and the reason for that note and the reported reason. Also, we can see the time left. Each note has a 72 hours in voting time. Let's go ahead and submit our votes. I think this vote is justified. So I'm gonna go and submit 69 votes for that's justified. Here we are gonna get a wallet pop-up and see there are 69 karma tokens that it's gonna cost us to vote. I approve. Now we have voted and we can see the number changed. Let's go and showcase the reporting functionality. Earlier, you could see I submitted a note for Greg's profile that he has scammed me. That might not be the truth. So searchers, when they see this, they can see an attacking note with no information and no proof. So they are gonna report it. They have to submit a reasoning for each report. Let's say no proof of scamming and submit. In order to submit a report, you have to stake tokens to avoid spamming and censorship. So let's do that. Now, since we reported the note, it has been removed from Greg's profile and put on the voting view. We can use this slider and go down to see. And Greg's note is on the report here. Thanks everyone for watching, and don't forget to vote truthfully.